Hi guys, it's Ahhh. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas day 20. Wow, we're getting close to Christmas. I am so excited, and I'm so excited to open yet another. Let me grab it over here. Bibbidi box with you guys. So I think if you watched my last video, I got, first of all, let me show you. So I got this top, which I'm like obsessed with, and I think I'm gonna wear it for the rest of Vlogmas. So just an FYI, I love it so much. It's all soft, it fits perfectly, and I just love it. And I'm just so happy I got it in my last Bibbidi box, which was my holiday box. And if you haven't seen it, I will link it for you right over here so you can go check that out. But today we have a brand new Bibbidi box to open. But before I get into the box, if you're not subscribed yet, please do so, because it means the world to me. It really helps us in the YouTube community and with the YouTube algorithm. And make sure you hit the bell, because then you will know once I upload a new video. But without further ado, let's get into this beautiful Bibbidi box. This box is a little bit bigger than my holiday box, so I'm so excited to see what's inside. I love them, they're so fun. This box came in like a plastic sleeve, and it had a big sticker that said fragile. So I'm excited to see what's inside. All right. Okay. Oof. All right. Okay, this one has a card. Let me show you. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link my last video up over here where I got this shirt and a lot of other amazing goodies. But that box did not have a card or like a shipping slip or packing slip, I should say. So at first I wasn't sure whether it was my holiday box or was my regular subscription box, but later I came to know that it was my holiday box. But this one, let me show you. This one has a beautiful card, and so this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm so excited because this is like my first holiday card, so I'm excited to see it. So it says, have yourself a Mickey little Christmas. Super cute. And it says, from our family to yours, wishing you a wonderful holiday season filled with warmth, happiness, and magic. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of your family. This box was curated and packed with love by us for you. We hope that we were able to bring a slice of joy and magic into your life this year. Forward to what 2021 brings, and wish you a happy new year ahead filled with even more magic. With love, the Bibbidi family. Adorable! So this is what it's like. So cute. And I even noticed like their little, it is part of the card. It's not a sticker. It's a little logo. Okay. Oh, look at this Santa, Mickey Santa, adorable. Okay, so over here it says, got a second, share a photo or video on Instagram and mention, tag us at Bibbidi. Super cute. So this is the packing slip. We'll check it out later. Okay, so this is what I have. I am so excited. Okay, I'm not gonna look this time because last time I looked, and last time I was looking into the box, into the bag, because I was looking for the card and the packing slip because I was missing it. Okay, I'm just feeling it. I'm just feeling it. Okay, all right. Oh, okay, this is so cute. So I have Jack Skellington mini cutting board. How freaking adorable is that? This is amazing. Oh my gosh, like this is for size reference. It's not too big, but it's not too small, but it's perfect. And the reason I got the cutting board, because obviously if you're unfamiliar with Bibbidi boxes, they have preference section, and they have a wish list section, and in the preferences I said that I wouldn't mind getting like kitchen items, kitchen Disney items, but nothing just like over the top, because I want it to be useful. So this is amazing. This is perfect for Christmas. This is perfect for Halloween. And if like I didn't want to show his amazing face, I can just use the other side. This is amazing. Okay, I'm so happy. All right. Oh my gosh, I almost looked. I wanted to look. Okay, there's a lot of tissue paper. Okay, I found something small, so I'm gonna pull that out first. Ah, yes. So this was on my wish list. I completely missed and messed up and wasn't able to score any Hocus Pocus pins, because I think everybody just like remembered that Hocus Pocus is like bomb.com and everybody purchased all the pins. So these were on my wish list, and I am just so happy that I now have the Sanderson sisters. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And you know, so many things have happened, but we actually traveled to Salem, Massachusetts, and we had the most amazing weekend. And I was gonna post those vlogs during like October, but that never happened. So I think all of that is gonna go up probably in January, where there's nothing to post. But anyways, if you're a regular subscriber, or if you're interested in seeing more about Salem, if you're just interested in seeing Salem and learning everything and just like coming along with us, be sure to come back in January or just keep on watching. But this is so cute. I'm actually very curious, and I want to open them. I want to open these. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And these are by Loungefly. I'm so happy. They are so cute. I can't stand them. They are just amazing. How much I love the Halloween Mickey's Not So Scary and when they perform. Oh my gosh. The 25th anniversary was just so magical, and we were there. Yeah, seems like forever ago. Okay, so I think that I have my last item. All right. Okay, my bag. It's empty. I love these little bags. They're so cute. Okay, so this is what I have. Okay, I was gonna say I think maybe it's an ornament, but I felt a handle, so I think it's a cup. I just cannot even deal. Can you guys guess what this is? Or who this is, I should say? Okay, so again, preferences, wish lists. This was in my preferences, and I'm a very big fan of The Little Mermaid. Love The Little Mermaid so much. Love all the characters in The Little Mermaid, and I actually put that in my preferences, that she is just my girl, and I love everyone who's part of that movie, because I grew up watching it and rewatching it every probably single day on VHS. Yeah, that's how old I am. Okay. This is so cute, guys. Look at him. Look at my friend Flounder. He is so cute. This is a good size mug. And the handle is good, because you know I'm weird about my cup handles. This is good. I can hold it good. It's not too tight, it's not too big. He's just adorable. Oh my god. Okay, I have to imagine how would you drink it? I would probably hold him like this and just sip. Am I weird? I don't know, but this is so cute. He's adorable. I love him. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Okay, wow, I'm so happy. I got my kitchen item, I got my girls that I really wanted, and this. So when I look at it like this, they pretty much got everything that's between my wish list and my preferences. So I'm so happy. I am so happy. Okay, going back to this little card. Okay, so it's like a card slash like folder because it has the pocket over here. All right, so this is my packing slip. So my box, I want to say it's the fantasy box. I keep forgetting. I think it's the fantasy box, and I think it's $59.99. I'm gonna double check and put it over here. Curated with love by Amanda. Thank you so much, Amanda. I think this is my second box that was made with love by you, minus my holiday box, which I have no idea who put that together because there was nothing in there. So I have Disney Princess The Little Mermaid Flounder ceramic 3D sculpted mug, which retails for $16.99. Funny. Bibbidi exclusive custom laser engraved 6x8 board Jack Skellington, which is $27.99. Okay, see, this is like another reason I love getting this box, because like if we were in a park, I would probably not buy this for $27, but you know, the fact that I get it here, it makes it, I can justify it better. And then I have the Loungefly Disney Hocus Pocus 4-set pin, which is $25. So the grand total of my box is $69.98, so practically $70, and my box is $59. It's totally worth it. This was amazing. I am so happy. I'm just like, honestly, I'm looking forward to more and more boxes because this is just such joy. Like, this is amazing. Like, I got my flounder. I have to watch Little Mermaid now. He's amazing. I love him. And my girls. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love it. We went to the village where they filmed it. I'm telling you, those videos are going to be amazing. You guys have to make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell, make sure you come back every day for Vlogmas, and then once I start posting the Salem videos, you guys are gonna die. It's amazing. Everything that we saw, everything that we got to experience, amazing. Amazing. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment down below which was your favorite item from this Bibbidi box. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays. Bye.